Hello everyone, I am Rosalie Cañada of Ozami City, Philippines, and I want to share with you my story with the Precise Planning. I joined Precise Planning as a regular trader or member last October 2024. I started out self-trading and was contented with just a 0 point something income till I realized that I could increase my earnings. And that is by inviting members or invite my friends. So we started small and only few people registered. Because some of them don't believe about the legitimacy of the Precise Planning. So I explained to them very well. And eventually they registered. Until my members started to grow. I immediately held seminars, and holding seminars was a great help because that time I was able to explain to the new invites who were coming in and attended the seminars. And then I was very happy to see my income from a very small amount. It's gradually grow to a large amount. Because many people started joining. And then I applied for a manager. The position also gave me a motivation because first, I already had my salary monthly. Yes. I saw it for myself that if we just try, we can reap the rewards. So besides from my income from my self-trade, I saw that my income was also increasing. So I continued to invite people. And that posting it in social media, it is really a great help. Because my income, every after trading, I posted it in the Facebook. And afterwards, there was already a private message asking me how to join Precise Planning and to earn dollar income. I believe people who are interested will come to you on their own. So as the time goes by, my members got increasing. So I applied for a regional manager. It does not matter how slowly you go, as long as you do not stop. Keep going. I tell you that it's not easy. Because sometimes if I invite friends, some of them were negative, but how to answer them in a calm way, even if sometimes it hurts you. Eventually, they join Precise Planning. I don't regret joining Precise Planning because it has helped me a lot in my life financially. And I have also helped a lot in the life of other people who believes in Precise Planning. So until now, I still can't believe that I reached this far with the Precise Planning. So I hope I have inspired everyone who listened to my journey with the Precise Planning. So to Precise Planning Group Limited, thank you so much